Hello everybody and welcome to Consumer Cave. Today we will be reviewing the Bose portable home speaker. So first, let's take a look what's inside the box. Inside the box, we have the USB-C to C charging cable, the Bose portable home speaker in silver, and the power outlet. So now let's take a look at the features. So the buttons on top, you have the power button. Whenever you power this up, it'll tell you what device you're connected to.
Connecting to Boseportablehomespeaker. Connected.
You have the Bluetooth button. If you hold that,
Boseportablehomespeaker. Disconnected.
it'll light up and that'll
Ready
show
to
that
connect.
you're trying to pair your Bluetooth device. It has the plus and minus volume, the play button, the mute your Google Assistant or Alexa, and also to activate your Alexa or Google Assistant. So that's it for the buttons. Pretty standard. The Bose portable home speaker is $349. It comes in two colors, silver, which I have here, and charcoal, which is black. It's a little bit bigger than the Sound Link Revolve Plus. It weighs about 2 pounds, 2-3 pounds. And this speaker disperses the sound in 360 degrees. So the sound comes out of each direction. And the bass on this is also more powerful than the SoundLink Revolve Plus. And it's pretty good for its size. It's most similar to the Bose 300 home speaker. I have the 500, and you can actually connect this speaker to the new family of Bose speakers, like the Bose 500 and 700 soundbar, and the Bose 500 and 300 home speakers. So you could have multi-room music. So that's one thing I like. It also has AirPlay 2. So if you have an iPhone or an Apple device, you could connect this to it easily. And you can also AirPlay to multiple speakers. So that's another pro. The other thing I like about the speaker is the handle is very durable and rough and tough. You could hang it pretty much on a tree or wherever you go outside. It can play up to 12 hours on a single charge. It is has Bluetooth enabled, and it can also use Google Assistant or Echo/Alexa on this device. So that's another pro. You could take phone calls on this, AirPlay, like I said earlier, and also the Bose Music app. You could connect through it that way also. So let me show you the charging port. The charging cord is just right here on the back, the charging port. And you just take the USB-C cable, boom, just plug it in there. You can also buy a charging cradle for this, and you just plug this into the wall. Easy day. And this speaker lasts 12 hours on a single charge. It is water resistant and splash resistant, but it cannot be submerged. But you could take it to the pool, get a little wet, won't do no harm to it. So overall, I give the speaker a 10 out of 10. Now let's take a look at the sound test. This is the sound test for the Bose portable home speaker, 50% volume. So for this speaker, I give it a 10 out of 10. It's durable. It's their best portable speaker yet. It's water resistant, and the features and connectability, Bluetooth, AirPlay, Bose Music app. There is no aux cord slot, so that's one con. If you still have like an iPod or something, but nowadays everything's connected wirelessly, so you gotta have to adapt with the times. But overall, this speaker is great. As you guys heard in the sound test, it's crystal clear. The bass goes deep and low. It sounds very crystal clear, rich, and the quality is like Bose always delivers. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend the speaker. I'm gonna put a link in the description if you guys want to check it out. And just remember that there is also a charging cradle that comes with this. Thank you guys for watching our video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And until next time, see you guys later.